Ethereum has dominated for years. But what if I told you that its greatest threat isn't Bitcoin? Solana. In this video, we break down the tech, the speed, the adoption, and the money. Is Ethereum falling behind? Or is Solana just getting started? Stay with me. This could change your crypto investing strategy forever. Part 1. The current state of Ethereum. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is known for its smart contracts and massive DeFi ecosystem. It was the first to introduce programmable blockchain layers, and that innovation turned it into the backbone of decentralized finance. But Ethereum has problems: high gas fees, congestion, slow transaction speeds. Even with the Ethereum 2.0 update, scalability issues continue to plague it. Despite that, Ethereum still leads in NFT ecosystems, DeFi protocols, institutional trust. But the clock is ticking. Users are getting tired of paying $20, $100 per transaction. Part 2. What makes Solana so special? Solana entered the scene with a bold promise: blazing fast transactions and near zero fees. Here's what Solana brings to the table: 65,000 plus TPs, $0.00025 average fee, unique proof of history, proof of stake consensus, huge momentum in NFTs, rapid developer adoption with tools that make dApp deployment easier. Big names like Visa, Helium, and Star Atlas are already exploring Solana integrations. Part 3. Institutional interest. Ethereum versus Solana. Ethereum has been the institutional favorite. BlackRock's ETF filings, Fidelity, and JP Morgan using Ethereum Rails Grayscale. CTAC Trust, but Solana is gaining ground. Franklin Templeton moved tokenized treasury funds to Solana. Circle's USDC is rapidly expanding on Solana. Solana Pay is being tested for real-world payments in 2025. We're seeing more institutional attention shifting, not just from ETH to BTC, but from ETH to Sol. Part 4. Adoption, community, and ecosystem. Ethereum has a larger and older community, but that's not always an advantage. Legacy tech often becomes bloated. Solana's ecosystem is more agile. Projects like Phantom Wallet, Magic Eden, and Guido are gaining millions of users. The Solana community is developer-friendly, community-driven, and faster-moving than Ethereum's bureaucratic DAO model. Part 5. Price prediction and final verdict. Ethereum in 2025. Expected price range $6,000, $9,000, driven by ETF momentum, but limited by network speed. Solana in 2025. Price targets $250, $500, driven by usage, speed, and adoption, especially from FinTech and DeFi 2.0. Can Solana overtake Ethereum in market cap? Not likely in 2025, but in adoption, speed, and innovation, it already might be winning. The blockchain war isn't about price, it's about usage. Solana is catching up faster than anyone expected. What do you think? Will Solana dethrone Ethereum in the next few years? Comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly crypto deep dives. Don't sleep on this. Your portfolio might thank you.